Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to another skincare video. If this is your first time seeing my pretty face, please do also click on the subscribe button below, of course, if you like my content, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to know whenever a video goes up. Give this video a thumbs up. I don't know why I'm laughing, but yeah, let's just get right into the gist for today. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you guys simple ways on how you can actually stop and fix skin darkening for good, like bye to skin darkening. So these are basically like simple ways and home remedies and things that you can actually do in order to fix skin darkening. And when I say home remedies, I'm not talking about mixing turmeric and honey and oats and all of that stuff. No DIYs in here. Like shh, we're talking about like other stuff that you can actually do in order to fix skin darkening. First things first, wear your sunscreen. Brightening skincare products are everywhere. A lot of people, whenever you hear fix skin darkening, stop your skin from getting darker, the first thing that comes to your mind is, okay, where is the next best skin brightening products? But let me tell you something, brightening skincare products will not work for you if you keep exposing yourself to sunlight. Period. You're going to get darker, your skin is going to get wrinkled, you're going to get patches, you're going to look ashy, you're going to just look not good at all. So you definitely want to make sure that you're protecting yourself as much as you can from the harsh rays of the sun. Okay, wear sunscreen. Sunscreen is one of the things that personally I don't hate in skincare, but I am not a fan of. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It gets tiring, okay? It gets tiring. It is exhausting for you to have to wear sunscreen, for you to have to reapply. Nobody likes to wear sunscreen, okay? At least for me, I don't. But I know that I have to. I understand that I have to in order to preserve my skin, in order to preserve my youth, in order to prevent cancer. So many things that could go wrong without you wearing sunscreen. So please, let 2023 be your holistic year of applying sunscreen. Please take it seriously. It can actually prevent your skin from getting darker. Now, the second point or the second tip that I have here is subjective. I'm not in any way trying to insinuate that you should not wear what you want. However, if you want to limit exposure to sun, if you want to limit skin darkening, then you have to limit the number of times that you wear skimpy clothing on the extremely harsh weather conditions. See the way I'm trying to sugarcoat this so that nobody's going to pick offense, okay? You cannot be wearing short, skimpy bikini top and really short bomb shorts, show me your booty and all of that stuff, stepping out into the sun, and not expect, even if you're wearing sunscreen all over your body, at some point, you still need to protect yourself because your sunscreen might be effective, it might not. Secondly, if you're not reapplying sunscreen, like there's so many people who do not reapply sunscreens, okay? Even myself, like personally, I hardly ever reapply sunscreen. That's just the truth about it, okay? And so when you're not reapplying your sunscreen or you're going to be out for a long time under the sun, harsh weather and whatnot, and you're wearing like really short clothes, what do you expect? Your skin is definitely going to get darker. Your body is definitely going to get darker. So you want to make sure that you're wearing protective clothing as much as you can if you want to fix skin darkening and just limit the rate at which your skin actually gets darker. It's that simple. Now, thirdly, your diet matters. Okay, your diet matters. You have to eat healthy. I'm not saying that you should not eat orishiorishi, but try to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your lifestyle. They actually help you from the inside. You know, they kind of make your skin look really nice, you know, glowing and whatnot. There's so many fruits out there. Eat fruits that have like high water content, high vitamin C content, and you know, you'll be just fine, okay? This is not a guaranteed tip to fix your skin darkening. Of course, you have to do other things, but then this will actually take your, you know, whole skincare game and just your general well-being a step further. Try to limit the amount of carbonated drinks that you take. I know some people are like real Coca-Cola addicts. Like, I know how addictive carbonated drinks can be, but if you want your skin to look healthier, then you have to kind of like limit the, you know, amount of carbonated drinks that you take. Next up, please stop crazy DIYs. Let 2022 be the last year that you ever try out a crazy DIY that you've seen on the internet. Baking soda, vinegar, witch hazel, all of these things put together are actually damaging your skin even more than you expect, okay? It can actually harm your skin instead of like helping your skin, and just make your skin even look darker. So just be wary of that. Now, last but not the least is for you to moisturize your skin. You always have to moisturize your skin. I cannot stress this enough. You have to moisturize your skin. If you want your skin to look healthier, if you want your skin to look brighter, you have to moisturize your skin. That is a very, very big step in what is wrong with me? That is a very, very big step in fixing skin darkening. You want to make sure that your skin is always looking hydrated. It's always hydrated. It's always moisturized. These are like very, very simple everyday things that you can actually do to minimize the rate at which your skin gets darker. With that said, let me know what are some of the tips that you have incorporated into your lifestyle that are actually, you know, yielding results with skin darkening for you in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, take care of yourselves.